Hello, good morning, student. In previous class, we have started the chapter climate, and today we will discuss some points regarding that chapter. And the topic is फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग इंडियाज क्लाइमेट। कौन कौन से फैक्टर हैं? तो उसमें पहला फैक्टर है लैटिट्यूड। देखिए लैटिट्यूड किस तरीके से अफेक्ट करता है हमारे क्लाइमेट। ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पासेस थ्रू द मिडल ऑफ द कंट्री फ्रॉम द रन ऑफ कच्छ in the west to Mizoram in east. Almost half of the country lying south of the Tropic of Cancer belong to tropical area. All the all the remaining area north of the tropic lies in the subtropic. Therefore, India climate has characteristics of tropical as well as subtropical climate. इसलिए इंडिया का क्लाइमेट क्या है? ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल। एल्टीट्यूड India has mountains to the north which have an average height of about 6,000 meters. India almost have a vast coastal area, but the maximum elevation is about 30 meters. The Himalaya prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the subcontinent. It is because of this mountain that the subcontinent experience comparatively milder winter as compared to Central Asia. Pressure and wind. The climate and associated weather conditions in India are governed by the following atmospheric condition: pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation and western cyclonic distribution, tropical cyclone. India lies in the region of northeasterly winds. These winds originate from the subtropical high pressure belt of northern hemisphere. They blow southward, get deflected to the right due to the coral force and move toward the equatorial low pressure area. Generally, these winds carry little moisture as they originate and blow overhead. Therefore, they bring little or no rainfall. Hence, India have been an arid land, but it is not so. Let us see why. Pressure and wind condition over India are unique. During winter, there is a high pressure area north of Himalaya. Cold dry winds blow from this region to the low pressure area over the ocean to the south. In summer, a low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as over northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of direction of wind during summer. Air moves from high pressure areas over the southern Indian Ocean in a southeasterly direction, crosses the equator and turns right towards the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. These are known as the southwest monsoon wind. These winds blow over the warm ocean, gather moisture and bring widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. The upper area circulation in this region is dominated by the westerly flow. An important component of flow is jet stream. These jet streams are located at approximately about 27 degrees 30 north latitude. Therefore, they are known as subtropical west jet stream over India. This jet stream blows south of the Himalaya. Although the year expect in summer, the western cyclonic disturbance experienced in the north and northwestern part of country are brought in by this westerly flow. In summer, the subtropical western jet stream moves north of the Himalaya with the apparent movement of the sun. An easterly jet stream called the subtropical easterly jet stream blow over peninsular India approximately over 14 degree north during the summer month. तो देखिए ये क्या है? कॉलर फोर्स क्या है? अपरेंट फोर्स कास्ट बाय अर्थ रोटेशन। एक फोर्स जो है अर्थ रोटेशन के कारण हो रहा है। कॉलर फोर्स इज रिस्पॉन्सिव फॉर डिफ्लेक्टिंग विंड्स, जो हमारे विंड्स को क्या करता है? डिफ्लेक्ट करता है, उसका डायरेक्शन को चेंज करता है टुवर्ड्स द राइट इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट इन साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फेरल लॉ, इसको बोलते हैं फेरल लॉ. ओके, वेस्टर्न साइक्लोनिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखिए क्या है. वेस्टर्न साइक्लोनिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आर वेदर फिनोमिना ऑफ विंटर मंथ brought in by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean Sea. They usually influence the weather of north and northwestern region of India. Tropical cyclone occur during the monsoon as well as in October, November and are part of easterly flow. This disturbance affect the coastal region of country. Have you read or heard about the डिसास्टर्स कास्ट बाय दैम ऑन ओडिशा एंड आंध्र प्रदेश में जो डिसास्टर होता है वो उसकी डिस्टर्बेंस की वजह से होता है। ठीक है, अब देखिए इंडियन मानसून का मैंने बताया था। इंडियन मानसून क्या है हमारा? Climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon wind. The sailors come to India in historical times were one of the first to have noticed the phenomena of monsoon. They benefited from reversal of wind system as they by sailing ship at the mercy of winds. The Arabs who have also come to India has later named this seasonal reversal of wind system monsoon. इसको क्या कहा उन्होंने? मानसून। इस तरीके से देखिए हमारा सिस्टम है विंड डायरेक्शन का। ठीक है, इसको एक बार देख लेना। देखिए द मानसून आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन द ट्रॉपिकल एरिया रफली बिटवीन 20 डिग्री नॉर्थ एंड 20 डिग्री साउथ। टू अंडरस्टैंड द मैकेनिज्म इन मानसून द फ्लोइंग फैक्ट्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट। डिफरेंशियल हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग ऑफ लैंड एंड वाटर क्रिएट लो प्रेशर ऑन द land mass of India, while the seas around the experience comparatively high pressure. Second is the shift of position of intertropical ITCZ in summer over the Ganga plain जो है हमारा this is equatorial trough normally positioned about 5 degree north of the equator. It is also known as monsoon trough during the monsoon season. The presence of high pressure area east of Madsagar approximately 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity and position of this high pressure area affect the Indian monsoon. ठीक है, तो तिब्बतियन प्लेटू गेट इंटेंसली हिटेड ड्यूरिंग समर विच रिजल्ट इन स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्टिकल एयर करंट एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लो प्रेशर ऑफ प्लेटू एट अबाउट 9 किलोमीटर अबोव सी लेवल. द मूवमेंट ऑफ वेस्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम टू द नॉर्थ ऑफ हिमालय एंड द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल ईस्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम ओवर द इंडियन पेनिनसुला ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन. अब देखिए अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इट हैज़ बीन नोटिस दैट चेंज इन प्रेशर कंडीशन ओवर साउदर्न ओशन आल्सो अफेक्ट द मानसून. हमारा अफेक्ट होता है मानसून उससे. Normally when tropical eastern south Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. But in certain area there is reversible in pressure condition and the eastern Pacific has lower pressure in comparison to eastern Indian Ocean. This periodic change in pressure condition is known southern oscillation or SO. ठीक है, the difference in pressure over Pacific Ocean and Darwin in northern Australia is computed to predict the intensity of monsoon. If the pressure difference was never negative, it would below the average and late monsoon. Late आएगा monsoon. A feature is connected with SO is the El Nino phenomena, in which a warm ocean current that flow past the Permian coast in place of cold Permian current every 2 or 5 years. The change in pressure condition are connected to El Nino. Hence, the phenomenon is referred to ENSO, Nino Southern Oscillation. देखिए अब Nino क्या है? This is the name given to periodic development of warm ocean current along with the coast of Peru as temporary replacement of cold Permian current. El Nino is Spanish word meaning the child and refer to baby Christ. As its current start flowing during the Christmas, the presence of El Nino leads to increase in the sea surface temperature and weakening the trade wind in this region. Okay. अब देखिए इंटरट्रॉपिकल कन्वर्जेंस जोन्स इज द ब्रॉड ट्रफ ऑफ लो प्रेशर इन इक्वेटोरियल लैटिट्यूड. दिस इज वेयर द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न एंड साउथ ईस्टर्न ट्रेड विंड्स कवरेज. दिस कन्वेज जोन lies more or less parallel to equator but moves north to south with the apparent movement of the sun. Okay, thank you student. अब हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे जो है द वनसेट ऑफ मानसून एंड विड्रॉल. किस तरीके से मानसून विड्रॉल होता है उसके बारे में. ओके, थैंक यू.